It don't need the wind to spin.
Turbines, or judges prefer turbines? Daniel, why turbines all day?
Turbines because they spinning and sucking the air out of your attic versus a static vent depending on how air rise. This is not sucking air out. A turbine spinning, it don't need the wind to spin. It just needs high air to rise. It will spin and suck the air out. This is just depending on how air to rise. Between a little space this big, roughly 3.5, 4 inches on your ridge. A lot of houses don't even have enough ridge to put ridge fence on to be sufficient. So turbines